go, guys. A retrofitted Billy Bob mask. See? Sorry it doesn't look exactly like Billy Bob to y'all, but here, the top things are his ears. Those are his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. Next up will be a Mixie retrofit, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Billy Bob. So tell me what y'all think. We're at Brewings. Take a picture of that. Here's Billy Bob, guys. Tell me how I did in the comments. Sorry it doesn't look so well because this is my first time. For this, I just used air dry clay. See, I used, what did I use? This. See guys, I used this for it. So yeah, Dad likes it, doesn't he?
I give it 2 thumbs up, buddy.
Next up is gonna be a Looney Bird one. I'm gonna make a poll when I get home and tell me which ones I should do. Like which one I should do next.
Okay.
I'm talking to my subscribers.
Oh, I thought you were looking at me though.
And I know some of y'all want to see me. Just in case y'all want to see me. Hello, here I am. Here's my dad watching the game. We ate some wings and tots. Yeah. So yeah, guys, tell me what y'all thought in the comments and please